How to fix pink flash screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on last option, developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and click on scroll and you will see show Surfic updates. So if you want to fix pink flashing screen, so turn off this button. So after turn off show Surfic updates, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix pink flashing screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.